Good morning guys! Good morning everyone! Ayan, happy Sunday guys! Domingo ngayon at ang init po ng araw. Dahil sobrang init, hindi po kami lalabas ngayon. Maayong buntag everyone. Once again, this is your tindera kahit saan nyo ilagay. Princess Jane Yiga. Ayun, at kasama ko po ngayon ang aking nag-iisang dalaginding na si Mayumi. Once again, nandito pa rin kami sa Thailand guys. Naglalakwat siya. Pero konting-konti na lang talaga. At today dahil Sunday po, medyo sobrang late na akong nagising. Ayan. At ako'y nag-aantay ngayon kay Kuya Kahil dahil ihahatid siya ng kanyang daddy. So, inaantay ko siya dito banda sa may gate. At ako'y gutom na rin. Gusto ko na nga mag-breakfast pero sabi ng ate ko magluluto pa daw siya. So, tingnan natin ngayon kung ano yung mga gagawin namin kasama si Kuya Kahil at kung saan ba kami aabot ngayong araw ng linggo dito sa Land of Smile, Thailand. Ayun. At samahan nyo kami once again you guys para ipakita ang ganda ng bansa na to. At syempre yung mga ganap-ganap sa buhay ko as inyong ganap-ganap sa buhay ko as inyong single nanay ng 4 na kulot, half African, half Filipino kids. I'll see you guys on this episode. Mayumi, you like Kuya Kahil? Mayumi, do you like Kuya Kahil? Yeah? Oh, you like Kuya? You like Kuya? Do you like Kuya? She's so pretty. She needs a ribbon on her hair. Oh. Do you like Kuya? Is Kuya here? Kuya hugging you? Huh? Make her sit properly on your lap.
Okay.
Like that.
Nice. You love Kuya? Why you give us a serious stare? This is not business. We're not on a business job.
Business meeting.
Business meeting, yeah.
Hug so she doesn't fall.
We'll watch Mr. Beast.
She's so cute. Ang sa akong paliton dali, oh. Okay. Ang sa akong paliton dali, te. Hello. Banoffee? Banoffee? Soft fridge. Dere? Wow, very nice. Ang dami. Dagan kayo siya cake. This one has banana.
This one, Banoffee. Ano Banoffee?
Nag-crave kasi kami ng sweet guys. So dito kami pumunta sa favorite cafe ng aking ate. Ay, ang cute ng cake, oh. Merong ano. Naubusan si Mayumi ng diaper. So, bibili nga ako ng diaper dito at saka ice pack ko ng diaper. Ice.
One eternity later.
Up there, a DJI drone. Wow! Okay. Ano ko? Silang. Ayumi. Dali ka makainit, ma. Yawag outfit mother. Uy! Welcome to Japan! Let's wait for the... We will eat. Let's go. What's that na noise? Alright. So ngayon, napag-desisyon na ng aking ate na dalhin kami sa Panshiba Cafe. This is one of the famous place na Instagrammable dito sa area malapit sa aking ate. Dito sa Thailand. Grabe si Kahil guys, oh. Vlogger na din. Sana all nung pinanganak ko, vlogger na agad. Wow! Pwede ha? Ha? Alright guys. Uy, Hindi talaga madala guys ng ganda-gandahan ng init ng araw guys. Kita niyo yung singot ko, nagatagatak talaga sa dami. Ay. So andito na kami ngayon at before kami makaupo mamaya, syempre hindi nawawala guys yung mga ganda-gandahan, ganda-ganda sa sarili ng mga picture-picture. Hindi pwedeng wala yun. Ano no? Tea set.
Picture si mama.
Dito merong magandang ano sa for the photo. Alright, sige. Nice no kayo. The other way.
Or that way. Yeah. Go back. Kailat kayo kaayos.
So cute. Okay guys, medyo na picture lang kami ng konti. At kahit po konti lang ay talagang majinit guys, majinit.
Konti. 1, 2, 3.
Kaunti guys, mga 200 shots ang isang post. Ay, nako. So kita nyo guys, yung tubig po, blue na blue. Bakit nga ba siya blue? Dito kasi sa Thailand, meron po silang mga binibenta dito na powder para maging blue yung tubig. Kahit na originally, yan po talaga ay brown. So mostly sa mga cafes dito sa Thailand ay nagkaroon ng initiative na gawing blue. Pero hindi po siya harmful sa kalikasan. Hindi harmful sa isda at hindi harmful sa mga damo. So okay lang. It's just to give that relaxing vibe and much Instagrammable vibe sa mga pictures ng mga bisita. So ngayon, time check natin around almost 5 PM kasi mainit pa, wala pa masyadong mga tao dito. Pero maya-maya, dadagsa din sila dito. Did you eat your food? Finish?
I didn't eat all the fries.
Is it big?
Yeah.
How about the drinks?
Somehow, those small fries make me feel like full.
Okay.
I only took 5 of them. And there's still more there.
Family goes.
I'm sure Lola already.
We sit down first because it's very hot. No, Mayumi is sleeping.
Mayumi, look, the weather here. It's really hot. I'm sweating.
I know. Just enjoy the vibe. What were you doing then? This one guys, this area here gives me a Polomolok vibe. Parang nasa lang ako, nasa Jensen. Mag-over the backod tayo. So, eto ay isang cafe na nag-add sila ng mga Instagrammable props para sa mga pumupunta. Katulad niyan, meron po silang pa-picnic mat. Then, over there, ang dami nilang mga benches na merong mga tea, coffee pot, merong mga cute na cups. Meron kasi siyang parang barnyard na feel. Barnyard feel. Guys, merienda time na at ito po yung aming in-order. Ay naku guys, ang maganda dito sa Thailand, wala po silang entrance, no? Kasi sa Pilipinas ngayon, iba pa yung entrance fee, iba pa yung bayad sa lamesa, iba pa yung bayad mo sa pagkain. Pero dito sa Thailand, isa lang talaga yung babayaran mo, yung pagkain lang. Kaya nga po itong pagkain naman nila ngayon ay tag 200 baht or malapit din 400 pesos. Pero mga appetizers lang yan.
This one is 95 baht or
95
almost
baht.
200 pesos.
Ah,
This one
okay.
is 95 baht as well.
Onion rings.
Yeah, onion rings. It's
Oo.
cheese stick.
Cheese stick. Maganda yung cheese stick nila, parang lumpia.
200 pesos. The smoothie is 130 or
Around.
250 pesos.
Kaya nga sabi nila, wag na lang tayong mag-convert. No?
Huwag ka na mag-convert. I-enjoy mo lang yung palibot kasi minsan lang naman. Hindi naman lagi araw-araw. Treat yourself. Alam, masakit sa bulsa. Pero after that, ang sarap sa feeling na ibigay mo sa sarili mo. Hindi mo na ipagdamot sa sarili mo yung deserve mo.
Yahoo! Kain lang kami guys.
I'm gonna be the vlogger for now. I'm taking over your channel. Make you billions of subscribers. Okay, guys, we are going on an adventure. First one on our map is Hayland, filled with lots of hay. I think that's sand or fake snow. And a real farm. Well, not exactly real. They just built it for like pictures and stuff. And motorcycle is right next to the hay, maybe for an escape pad. Next on our adventure is Animal Land, filled with chickens. Some of them are weird looking. Gooses, more chickens, birds, and a pig that wants to mind its own business. We're moving on to Plant Land. look at this place. Gorgeous, filled with plants, and bushes that look creepy and look like they're going to be filled with snakes and jaguars. Now we're moving to Houseland, filled with this gigantic house, which could fit a whole family to live in. Bushes, a lake, well, a small lake that connects to a big one. And if you can guys see the rabbit farm, let's go check that place out. But first, we're gonna pass the Ogre Land. Uh-oh. Well, you guys may not see the ogre, but he's stopping me from going in. He says I look delicious. But, well, what should I say? I have an idea. Mr. Ogre, pretend ogre. Mr. Ogre, there's somebody behind me who is more fatter and filled with more fat. I'm sure you would love to eat him. It's actually nobody behind me, so we're just pretending this, okay? Okay, he lets me pass. Now let's walk. Continue our journey back to Plantland, filled with more plants, creepy bushes that look like they're filled with jaguars, leopards, and snakes. More lake, rabbit farm again. Why do I feel like the rabbits are watching us, but we can't just see them? Literally, I can't see them anywhere, but they say 20 baht to feed them. Okay, bridge that connects to it. Hold on, the gate is closed. Maybe they locked it down because the rabbits left. Guess they needed new homes. Weird looking Cupid. Women's toilet. Men's toilet. More plants, dangerous cactuses. Don't go close to them. Oh, what was more like Hayland again. I love Hayland. It's just so beautiful. Also, hay made of Couchland. More lake.
Alright guys, now taking over my sister's vlog and channel. We're going to get what? We're going to buy fish food, and it costs 20 baht. So we're going to drop here. So honesty is the best policy here. Walang nagbabantay, hulog lang. And we are getting how many of that, Kahil? 2. And we're going to feed the fish kasi dito sa Thailand, they believe na when you feed the fish, blessings will come back to you. Diba? Sa mga business. Okay, just try.
They are there.
Look closer, ma. Yeah, more. I think you should open it na lang, Kahil, so it's easy. Kahil, you should open it. Oh, there he is.
Over there. I'm going the other side.
Oh, ang yellow. Dako kaayo mao. Oh, gutom sila. Ay, malaki oh. Labas.
guys, gabi na po dito at andito pa rin kami. Dahil napagdesisyon na ng aking ate na magstay lang kami ng konti para mag-dinner. Dahil ngayong gabi may pupuntahan po kami. Kaya kailangan naming iwan yung aking ate. Malungkot na naman yung buhay niya guys kasi wala na namang mag-iingay dito sa kanya. So wala po palang tao dito. Ayan guys, oh. Weekend naman ngayon. Hindi ko alam saan sila nagsipuntahan. Pero in fairness naman, this one for me has like a classic, para siyang classic na nasa palasyo. So, papasok tayo sa loob ng restaurant nila para makita ninyo kung anong itsura. Para naman magkaroon din tayo ng idea kung nagpatayo tayo ng mga cafes and restaurant. Ayan, so pasok tayo dito guys. Alright. So, this is how the place look. Basically guys, kami lang talaga yung customer. Kami lang po yung may pera ngayong araw. Joke lang guys. Ayan. Very ano siya no, very classical. Oh, may pa-chandelier. Tapos eto ha, good idea. This one is also only made para sa photo session lang. Hindi siya kainan purpose. And si Mayumi. Mayumi. Dako ang mata ni Yumi. Uy, itom kayo. Uy, our food is here. So, ikot ko kayo ng konti. Ang ganda ng cortina nila, sumabay din sa kanilang decoration. Ang cute nito guys, oh. I love this kind of blue. Ang ganda ng pagka-blue niya. Then, ang kanilang mga decoration ay vintage. Katulad niyan, vintage telephone, vintage luggage, mga vintage na mga decor pieces. And here, nagbebenta po sila ng cake. Ang cute naman ito. Ay! Rated PG. So, kakain lang kami guys ng konti. Konti lang, kasi konti lang yung in-order. And then, uuwi na rin kami. Kasi okay lang naman, hindi naman siya masyadong malapit sa, malayo sa bahay. Mga 30 minutes lang. You have small.
And rice tuna. Why is this place expensive?
We are in a fancy place, Kahil. We pay for the fancy.
Alright, ito po yung in-order namin for dinner. Siyempre, hindi nawawala ang tom yum shrimp. Then, meron tayong cow pat, kung or fried rice shrimp. And siyempre, fried chicken. May in-order pa tayo. Ano pa in-order natin? Parang gulay yun. Yung